Hello Jason, I have an Amtrol BoilerMate showing ER3 occasionally. I have hot water. Any suggestions on adjustments or repairs to remove this error? Thank you, Randy.
Welcome, my name is. I will do my best to help you with your issue. An ER3 message is an indication that it took more than 60 minutes to heat the water in the tank up to the set temp. This can be caused by boiler water temp that's set too low, a pump and/or a zone valve that's working intermittently at circulating boiler water through the coil in the BoilerMate, or the bottom of the BoilerMate could be filling up with sediment. The last issue is only likely if the BoilerMate has been installed for several years.
Rick, thanks for your response. 1. Could this also be corrected by lowering the tank setting? 2. What should my boiler lower temp be set at? 3. I think it is unlikely, but is there a way to check for sediment?
You should set the BoilerMate temp at whatever level works for you. The lower the setting, the less fuel you'll use. We typically set water heaters between 120 and 130. Higher than 130 increases the risk of scalding and is a code violation for a plumber to set it higher than 130 unless there is a tempering valve on the hot water outlet from the tank. The boiler temp would typically be 180 to 190 for a copper baseboard system. There is no sure way to check for sediment except to pull the coil, which is a major production and should only be done as a last resort. The ER3 message is not necessarily an issue if you find the hot water to be adequate.
Rick, the boiler is running through an air handler. The error code has not been an issue and is only intermittent, however it came up on an inspection and needs to be resolved. The water is more than hot enough for all of our uses. If you agree, I will try the following one at a time. 1. Lower the temp on the tank. 2. Check and if needed adjust the boiler temp. If all of those fail, I will have a service call to check the valves, etc. Randy.
Boiler water temp for a hot water coil in an air handler would still be in the 180 range. It really depends on the system design temp. I'd check the boiler temp first, then lower the tank temp if needed.
Rick, thank you. Work on this today. Randy.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.